Respected and honorable member of the House and the ex-minister of the state and the senior representative has expired yesterday. This is a very painful day for each and every one of us, not only MLAs and the assembly of all the society also. But because the contribution what is given to the society is very vast and is very too much. Not only politically, also on religiously, on community-wise, and socially and culturally. And he has given in the 94 years of his long journey. I have seen that how they can organize politically, working actively, along with the taking the community and the society also talking together. It is a message given to all the representatives. And many a times he was my close friend of my dad. And when I was a minister also, he was there as a representative. I have seen rarest of rare qualities. One thing, whatever the problem be there, however the tension be there, one thing, with a smile, mind with the patience, he used to find solutions for that. I think this qualities of a great leader like Shyamu Srivastava is a benchmark and the guidance for the message for the younger generation and the youth leaders and youth representatives of not only our state to the country. So we deeply have a condolence and we are deeply hurt by his death.
Usually when you come to Belgavi, extension becomes a problem. So but do you look at increasing the number of hours the discussion takes place over the next 4 days, sir?
We'll all discuss with the BSc. There's a business advisory committee for that to decide how many days the session took place and how long it should take and what are subjects and bills should be taken and whether it should be extended or no. The BSc, they will decide. Regarding this also, we'll discuss with this Chief Minister and opposition leader who are the members of the BSc committee and other leaders also. Whatever is good for the state and society, we'll do it. Which one? Yeah, we have to, as per as the rules, because I have called all the session today morning 10:30, I have to come in the sessions at 10:30. Once the obituary will be made, then we'll postpone tomorrow. Thank you.